Hey, it's Dan Frolke, and today's video is going to be a little different. Now, a lot of people ask me how I make so many sales in my affiliate marketing opportunities. Well, the truth is, it's right under your nose. YouTube. I've got about 70,000 subscribers that know, like, and trust me. And it doesn't cost me anything to record and upload these videos to get traffic to my various opportunities. After all, traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Without it, you won't make any sales. But how do you do it? You may be thinking. Well, real quick story here. Recently, I had lunch with a very good online marketing friend of mine, Mack Mills. Now, Mack has made over $100 million in the business opportunity space with direct mail and full-page magazine ads. The internet killed offline marketing, and Mack had to learn some new skills. And they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Well, this old dog learned YouTube Shorts and went from 0 to 25,000 plus subscribers in a matter of weeks, all from a little-known training platform called CMP, Content Marketing Pros. Content Marketing Pros is the ultimate platform for creating exceptional content to build your brand and make more sales in whatever opportunity that you're in. And I really wish I had this when I first started. It would have been a whole lot easier. With CMP, you'll learn how to create eye-popping graphics, stunning 3D visuals, and professional presentations. You'll learn how to create captivating videos, compelling ad copy, and viral media posts. You'll learn how to create high-converting sales funnels, bridge pages, and capture paging using AI technology. You'll get 400 plus ChatGPT prompts. You'll learn how to shoot videos with your phone. You'll get lighting equipment training, audio equipment training, basic editing techniques, how to add music to your videos, advanced editing techniques. You'll learn how to clone your voice, how to create an AI avatar, how to set up your space for videos, the exact equipment to buy, and much, much more. And if you're shy and you don't want to be on camera, you don't have to. You can learn how to do faceless YouTube shorts like Mack does using the training inside CMP. Now, Mack uses a specific formula to get subscribers very quickly, and I want you to go check it out to see how he does it. So his channel is at Mack Mills TV or mackmillstv.com, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. And if you could do me a favor, and Mack, subscribe to his channel, watch and like all of his videos. I'd really appreciate it, and I'm sure he would too. Hey, hold it. Just as I was editing this video, I got an update from Mack. Check this out.
Hey Dan, quick update. Since this ain't my last video, I think I had 25,000 subscribers just a day ago when I sent you the video, but now Tuesday, the 8th, I'm just going to hit refresh. I'm at 32,238. Oh, 239. It just went up one while I was doing it. Yeah, they have a live count here. So, now I'm at, went up another subscriber.
Now, if you have been following me and following my channel, then you know I make a full-time living with affiliate marketing. And what's really cool is Content Marketing Pros has a whole affiliate side to their platform as well, and you can get paid really well to promote their system, to share this system with others. And the beauty of it is it won't interfere with anything else you're promoting because this is universal. All online marketers could get tremendous value from Content Marketing Pros. Here's how it works. You'll get paid every time you refer somebody to CMP, and you'll get paid instantly. You'll earn up to $400 for every direct referral. And you can do this as a brand new beginner with absolutely no experience at all. And here is something really cool, and to be honest with you, I've never seen this in my 15 plus years of marketing, and I've actually lost a little sleep thinking about this when I first joined. As a part of their compensation plan, you will receive 100% check match on all of your referrals. For example, as a ProPack member, you qualify on all commission levels. So whenever you enroll a new pro member, you'll earn a $400 instant commission. And here's the exciting part. Anytime your new member refers a Pro Pack member themselves, you will also earn a $400 instant commissions because of the 100% check match. So whatever your personal referrals earn in direct commissions, you will also earn the same amount without doing anything. Now, I told you that's the stuff that keeps me up at night. The 100% check match is crazy. So not only will we be able to create better content to level up your skills and make more sales in your regular online business, you'll be able to collect instant commissions just by sharing CMP with other marketers, and these commissions add up fast. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. It's the very first link. All you have to do is click on the link. You'll be redirected to learn all the FAQs of this amazing platform and how you can earn as you learn how to create way better content to up your skills and set yourself apart from others and make more sales in your online business. I'll also leave a link to Mack's channel so you can check it out and see for yourself on how he went from 0 to over 25,000 subscribers in a matter of weeks. And remember, subscribe to his channel, like all of his videos. I'd really appreciate it. Mack would too. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.